What's going on, guys? Well, today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance reminder in a 2022 GLE350, okay? Right now I have the car off, I have my foot off the brake, and what you want to do first is hit engine start stop one time, okay? Now I'm getting a 12-volt battery message here. Go ahead and hit enter, get rid of that. Now we need to set the cluster on trip. Mine is already on trip, but if you don't know how to do that, hit the home button, and then you scroll through here and you find trip and hit enter, and we're on trip. Now all we need to do now is push the back button and the home button at the same time for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we'll let go. Now we can push home, go back to the screen here, and we're gonna go over to the left. And now we should have workshop. Okay, you didn't have that before. Hit enter, go down to assist plus, enter, keep your foot off the brake, hit engine start stop. Okay, it gives you full service. Go down to full service, hit enter, confirm full service, confirm the oil grade, hit yes. Okay, and it tells you we want to make sure that you're going to do this, and hit okay. And that's pretty much it. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, I appreciate it if you drop me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.